My name's Riley Neugebauer, and I'm currently living in Durango, Colorado. And I'm a solar installer. I'm about to move to Boulder, Colorado in a month and work for Namaste Solar as a full-time DC residential installer. Solar just kind of put a lot of pieces together and also felt like a good career path for me in terms of both stability into the future, constant challenge and learning. It doesn't seem to ever end. Solar is something that feels like it's making a difference and you're seeing it physically happen and you're a part of that. And so I really love that piece of it and the teamwork piece of it. It's like if I can go to SEI, take both some online classes and the part that I hadn't had, which is hands-on lab classes. That was really the ticket for me, because I knew for me to learn, I really needed to be getting the instruction while I was also doing it after getting some of this conceptual information online. I come to places like SEI where there's a lot of women around, you have a lot of female instructors, and really, helps you kind of like take a big leap to the next step of whatever you're trying to learn. I would say if you're someone who doesn't have a lot of experience yet, that you should immediately get online, sign up for one of the intro classes and kind of get your feet wet with some of the material and the content. See how that lands with you and how you feel about it, and if you're still really excited, then you're getting the stuff out of the way that you need to take the class. But in general, I would just say do it, Like in life, I would say things that make you feel excited or passionate are things to pursue, and ultimately we're on a journey where everything we do is a little bit of an experiment if you're just getting more information. And so it's another way to get more information about what you like to do, and coming here is a great way to keep experimenting, because you're going to get the space and the time and the patience and the teaching and the camaraderie with other students to really feel it out and take it to the next level.